Hello everyone. So in this session of Coherent Gain, we are going to talk about the difference between human resource management and human resource development. I'm also going to talk about HRM and HRD as a career. First of all, let's just understand that HRD is a part of HRM, right? Just think of it as a unit of biscuit from a whole packet of biscuits, right? So the HRM is your packet of biscuit and HRD is a unit of biscuit, right? It is just a part of HRM. HRD is a process through which human capabilities are enhanced, right? While human resource management focuses on all the aspects of managing the workforce, right? HRM include recruitment, training, selection, employee relations, compensation, performance evaluation, etc. etc. While HRD is focused to the training, educating, mentoring, coaching part of the employee management. Human resource development tries to align the employee skills with the organizational goal. So if I talk about human resource management as a career, the role is a bit more spontaneous. For example, in human resource management role, you might be managing employee files, conducting performance reviews, developing and implementing policies and procedures. While in the more specialized function of human resources, which is human resource development, your job role is mostly project based. For example, you are designing and implementing a training program, developing career paths, creating succession planning. So in case any employee is going to leave your organization in the near future, so you are going to be prepared for that. So if you are confused which career to choose between HRM or HRD, here is your answer. If you have a passion for helping people grow and develop, HRD is your go-to. On the other hand, if you have strong interpersonal skills and can effectively manage people, HRM is your go-to. Just find your passion, find your set of skills, and then choose your career. So all the best and stay tuned for more such content.